How to fix we suspended your account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if Instagram has suspended your account. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that, as you can see in this case as well, let's say you were trying to do something and all of a sudden you open Instagram and it simply give you a notification that say that your account has been suspended. Now what's happened is because in my case previously this issue actually occurred and I just took a screenshot and I'm showing you guys. And I'll show you how you can fix it as well. Now in my case the issue was that I tried to just unfollow too many people at once using a third-party application because it was too time consuming for me to go ahead and unfollow them manually. So I just used the help of a third-party service, and after I used it and then I opened Instagram, I simply got this kind of error. So similarly in your case as well, you might have been trying to use any type of third-party plugins or services or any type of spammy behavior on your Instagram account is actually going to lead you to a suspension. So you have to be aware of that. Now in most of the cases, to fix this, usually within 24 hours this issue is going to get fixed itself, if not maximum of 1 or 2 days. But whenever you open Instagram, you'll find this button that says disagree with decision, and in that case you can simply tap on disagree with decision button in order to follow the appeal, and then you can go ahead and actually try to contact Instagram, or many of the times it will ask you to verify with your mobile number or your email address in order to unsuspend your account and free it. But assuming that you didn't get this option as well, there are a couple of things that you can do. The first thing you can do is you can simply go ahead and try to log in from your cellular data, because if you're using Wi-Fi, I'll just recommend you to try to log in from cellular data and go ahead and then open up Instagram and see if that fixes the issue. If not, then you can most likely go to Instagram's help center by going to support.instagram.com. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box. Try to clear the cache of the files, try to clear the data, and hopefully that would fix the issue. But as I said, in most cases, just tapping on the disagree with decision button, you would have just some kind of button over here to appeal your decision. So in that case, you can just go ahead and do that. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.